I'm here to introduce you to the new Country Pro 3-inch wood chipper shredder. It has a KOHLER 6.5 horsepower 196cc engine, a large chipper chute. It comes with a tow hitch. The kickstand moves out of the way when towing with an easy pin to remove. Large topper. We have an ergonomical handle for moving around. We have in the back a clean-out port in case the unit ever gets jammed and clogged. We have a large bag for collecting chips. So all three units perform pretty well today. The difference is they all get clogged eventually. And this Country Pro has the easy clean out. 3 thumb screws, and when it does get clogged, you can easily access the shredders. To unclog it.